Hi guys, 2017 Porsche Cayenne with the base model. This one we're doing the front brakes right here. So this one is a black caliper. So I think there's like a couple different sizes, but the black caliper is the base model, which is the same brakes as Touray. So I think the part I went with the Taxon, that's the part number. This one, 922-62705. So then I jack it up, support it. Well, put the jack stand down there, safety first, and then we're gonna push these pads back. So towards that way, and then we'll get to it. It should be this one should be pretty straightforward. Hello guys, so just a quick update. So if you look at these, the rotor is actually different. There's two different vents, right? So these rotor are actually directional. So what you do, you look at the side of the rotor and you see. So this rotor, see, the fin is going that way, and the other one is fin is going forward. So make sure you double check with the old one before you put it on. Alright guys, so just a little update. The sensor you have to unclip, and then these are N14 triple square. These one, the big nuts, run into. Also, when you remove the caliper, make sure you take this bolt out right here. Make sure you take it off, so then the whole brake line can move. If you can see the whole brake line. So then what I did, I took out the caliper and I rested here. I just change the pad when it's sitting. I use a plastic how do you call this? A plastic bucket, so I don't scratch the caliper that much. Alright. Yeah, so pretty straightforward. Make sure you put this metal clip in, or else it's gonna squeak like crazy. This one. Alright. And then yeah, I torque this down to 114 Newton meter. I don't know the spec, but it wasn't too tight. All these Brembo caliper, not that tight. Yeah, that's about it. Nice and easy.